Hi guys, so welcome back. On today's video we're going to take a look at this. So this is the wireless LED strobe light from PIDZOOM. PIDZOOM kindly reached out to me and provided these for testing and review, and I've just got them, so we're going to unbox these, see what's inside. We're going to take a look through, do a little unboxing, see what features they've got inside, and what's different about these. So I don't really know much about these apart from PIDZOOM obviously do chargers for electric unicycles, and they've started doing horns as well as these lights. From what I've seen, they look pretty good. I'm just looking at the back again because I don't know a great deal about these, but it's got remote control up to 120 hours of battery life, one frequency across all the lights, so it looks like you can control all of them at the same time. 8 colours and 10 flashing modes. Pretty nice sort of packaging and stuff like that. Looks quite nice. So let's open this up and see what we've got inside. So I'm not overly good at these unboxing things, so we're just going to take them out and I'll show you what's in them, okay? So, inside, user manual. Yeah, what else we got? Got a USB to USB-C four-way charging, so you can charge them all at the same time. That's good. Bag. So look what we've got in here. Okay, not entirely sure what that is, just a bunch of cable, or maybe they're bungee cords so you can wrap round, but we'll come back to those. Let's see what else we've got. We've got the remote. I'll get it out of the plastic. So a little thumb remote. Press on there. Looks like we've got a ton of spacers. So you've got a bunch of rubber spacers that go behind the light, and then you got some Velcro strips with 3M tape that goes on there, and obviously you can tape them on there, and you've got some straps to go around as well. So that's one option. We did also, PIDZOOM also did send me these. So the little clips where the lights go in, they got 3M tape on the back. So that's quite handy, and hopefully those ones will go on, I'll be able to put those on my unicycle, or I see some people put them on their lids, so we'll see what I'm going to do with them later on in this video, but I just wanted to give you a bit of an overview of what we've got. And then we've got the lights themselves, so there's 4 in total that come in this pack, and I think these retail around 25 to 30 pounds, which is pretty reasonable, I think. Like I said, I got these sent to me for free, so big shout out to PIDZOOM for doing that. So this is an example of one of them. You got four of them in total. You've got a USB-C port on the top for charging. They seem pretty sturdy, plastic, but seem pretty good. Let's have a see if this one's on. Okay, so I mean that one's got flashing red, and I'll try and do a bit more of a demo in the dark because it just makes me another slight change. Let's see what else we got. Flashing green, I think that was, or yellow. There's green, blue, purple, pink. Yeah, pink. There's like a white, red, and various colours. So let's see if, I don't know whether the remote actually is on there yet, or whether so the remote is on, and you got a colour and a colour button at the top and a mode button at the bottom. So colour obviously changes the colour, which is pretty cool. And then mode looks like flash, and a pulsating one, which is quite cool. I quite like those ones. Flash on and off. Strobe flash. On an intermittent strobe flash. And then it looks like solid on. So then when we got solid on, then we changed colours. So that's quite cool. Yeah, so yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's turn these off. So yeah, good little remote. So we've got quick start guide in here, and then you've got quite a nice manual, contents and that sort of good stuff. So what's interesting as well, the lights has got a waterproof rating of IP65, so that's really good as well. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Charging time 2 hours. Remote control range 7 meters or 23 feet. And like I said, waterproof rating, which is really good. One comes with 1 year warranty as well from PIDZOOM. But yeah, so I'm going to put these on my unicycle, and then once we've got those, I'll show some ride footage here of me with the lights on, so you can see what they're like at night. You can't really see these during the day, but from first impressions, these look really good. Really kind of solid little lights. It's great that they're IP rated for waterproofing, because chances are if these are on a unicycle and things like that, they're going to be potentially sort of low to the ground and get wet, splashed and things like that, so they need to have that. So that's really good. But yeah, good so far. And again, another shout out to PIDZOOM for reaching out and allow me to review and give you some impressions of these. So yeah.
So I'm sure like keep going here, then it turns into a smaller cycle lane.
Hi guys, hope you enjoyed that video and the ride footage of the PIDZOOM lights. I think they're some really fantastic lights. There's not really any negatives, to be honest, for what they do and the quality that they are compared to other lights on the market of that do a similar role and are significantly cheaper. They're fantastic. You know, from the remote to getting 4 lights in the pack. They're all controllable from that one remote. The lights, the modes, everything, and being rechargeable via USB-C. Fantastic little product. I personally think they're brilliant. I put them through going downstairs with them attached. And they held up really well, going over sort of off of curbs and things like that. I went through puddles to test some of the water rain. Absolutely no problems at all. I can highly recommend these lights. They're just fantastic. And again, a big shout out to PIDZOOM that sent me these. Like I said, it is sponsored. But the review is my own personal opinions. If I thought there was something negative about them, I would share them on this video. So highly recommended. I would consider probably going out and getting another pair. These ones were sent for free, but you know, I just think they're really good. I'll be interested in testing some of their chargers out. So if PIDZOOM, if you want to team up again for something else like one of your chargers, I'd be more than happy to review that on the channel as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.